I'm now in Manila, the capital of the Philippines. Starting from April 5th, the Philippines will extend the strict COVID-19 lockdown measures in the capital city and 4 adjacent areas for another week. The Philippines reverted these areas to the highest quarantine level on March 29th due to the surge in COVID-19 cases in recent weeks. The Philippines Department of Health attributed the new wave infections to low masking compliance, more infectious variants, breached surveillance, contact tracing, and delayed testing. This country kicked off its vaccination program on March 1st, a day after delivery of the first batch of Sinovac vaccine donated by China. The government aims to inoculate up to 70 million Filipinos this year to achieve herd immunity, starting with healthcare workers and the elderly.
The Philippines today is in a very difficult situation because of the daily surge is the highest in the entire history of this pandemic. We are now hoping there will be more vaccines coming and the new lockdown hopefully will work to bring down the cases. So we are grateful to China for sending us vaccine support, donating 1 million doses, and then exporting to the Philippines more doses, plus World Health Organization also donating to the Philippines.